Good day guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are splitting price difference across multiple exchange, and in this video it will be on the DEX platform to the exchange. So we'll be using MetaMask to exploit the price difference, and we'll be selling on Gate.io. So currently I'm in the MetaMask. So if you have MetaMask, go ahead and open it up and follow the process. Right now I should also mention that this is not a financial advice, so any action you take afterwards watching this video is on you, my bro. Right, so basically go over to here and open up a new, okay, maximum tab. Okay, let's just open it up. We are using Uniswap. So if you have MetaMask, open it up. We'll be using Uniswap for this arbitrage opportunity that we found. Right, so once it opens up, select this side, the select token area, search for this project. The name of the coin we'll be exploiting is Streets, so just select it up. Then that's the first one. Then select, I don't know, network is a bit slow. Select USDC, and now if you have a certain amount you want to use, that's fine, but for this will be $0, so we'll make the best out of it. Right, so just select $100. This will give us an equivalent of how much we'll be getting. First of all, remember, we always confirm the price before we go ahead, so you have to copy it here, check whether it's profitable before you go ahead and do the transaction, because sometimes if you do it here without checking the price difference first, you might send it and you just get your money back with no profit or even a small loss. Right, so you have to confirm first. That's what we usually do. Copy it, confirm that the price is still exploitable, because arbitrage trading um happens to deal with price fluctuations, so price isn't stable at all. Right, so we are buying with $100. If you're buying with $100, you'll be getting 650,544 trades coin. Now maybe after the swapping, the thing will be worth $97. Right, that's what we get. This is $97 worth. Right, so now you have to go to the exchange and check the price difference, then we can go ahead and swap if it is profitable. The exchange we're using, like I mentioned, is Gate.io or MEX. They are on both. Right, so you can use that one, but I'm using Gate.io for this one. So let's go. So we're currently on Gate.io. Go over to the search side and type the name of the coin we searched. Sorry, treats, that's the name, and we confirm. Then network is a bit slow this morning, so pardon we. So you just select it, treat. So the price here is 0.00025. So like we always do, check the volume, high, low, 24 hours volume on trades, 24 hours volume on USDT, 28,000 within the last 24 hours on USDT. And yeah, the market is actually okay. Right, let's just check. Yeah, the market is actually okay. So if you want to sell this project, remember the amount we got it for. Let me open the bigger part. Wait, okay. um so if you want to sell it, you have to send the trade from Uniswap to here on the exchange before we can sell. Now remember the amount we bought, so this is the current price. Remember the amount of trades we got, so let's check if the price is actually profitable. Now with $100, you can see craziest amount, bro. So basically it's $167. That's what we'll be getting with this price exploitations. Remember, we got it at see, we got it with $100. If you're getting with $100, USDC and USDT is basically the same thing. They are stable coins. Right, USDC is a stable coin. USDT is a stable coin as well. Yeah, US dollar theta. Right, so it's basically the same thing. So it's the same stable coins, and we got it 650613. Yep, 650,613 is the real letter here. 613. So we're getting basically something $167, and the amount we'll be making with this is actually above 50% of our capital. Like, I made a video on how profitable arbitrage and crypto trading is, so it was a debate. You can see, check it out, it was the last video I made. So if you are skeptical about the profitability of arbitrage trading, bro, this is an example that is actually very profitable. Right now, remember, this is on the Ethereum network. It fluctuates, but withdrawal here on the exchange is actually very low. Let me show you. So basically, here is the withdrawal area. So it's on the Ethereum network, like I said. Let's check. So basically, the withdrawal, if you're withdrawing from an exchange to the DEX, it will be lesser than 0.9, right? But if you are withdrawing from the Uniswap, you have to reconfirm. We have to reconfirm that actually to know the exact amount, right? But it actually fluctuates sometimes. Sometimes it get high, sometimes it's very low. Like now, it's very low. So yeah, the withdrawal won't be a challenge, and the profit is what you can actually use to cover the expenses. But basically, this is not a financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. This content I make is for educational purposes to show you the opportunities in the crypto market, right? These arbitrage opportunities are time sensitive. Maybe before I post it, I don't know, the price might be the same or have changed. So you have to be cautious, and any action you take is on you, my bro. And yeah, that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video to those that might be interested in this type of content, right? I make videos on how to make money on the internet, the financial markets, crypto trading, forex trading, and whatnot, right? So keep it locked, turn on the bell notifications to get update on my new videos because it's very important. Then join the Telegram community so we get to 100 members. So I'll start dropping updates back to back on there, right? Yeah, that's basically it. Let's go.